Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Honda CR-V EXL. This one's blue. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 four-cylinder with 185 horsepower and 163 pounds of torque. Four wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Sunroof. CR-V all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Power windows, power seats. Popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, power outlet, heated seats. The CR-V has 36,990 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CR-V, check out feldmannimports.com.